Hello everyone and welcome to the Global Expert channel. And this video I won't be showing you an alternate future of the world. This video I shall be showing you my first ever animation. It's not much of an animation, but it's close enough. I made it in the app that I use to create my mapping videos, because I found out that you can actually make animations from that thing. So I just wanted to show you guys and ask if it was good enough. So let me show you. So here's the animation. It's a dogfight between the SU-57 and the F-22 Raptor. And of course the Raptor wins, because that's exactly what would happen if a dogfight happened between the SU-57 and the F-22 Raptor. So comment down below and ask whether or not if the animation is good, and I want to ask if I should use this in future videos. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like down and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.